So I lost my apple tree. It fell down right across my driveway. I had to cut it all up with my electric chainsaw. It took me about a half an hour. And this is the winter wonderland of New England on this cold, very cold day. The after effects. Snow, snow, everywhere the snow. Looking at the scenery and seeing all the snow. Cloudy, semi-cloudy sky. We're supposed to be getting a rainstorm on Wednesday. They're talking about flooding and everything else, so I hear. I haven't heard anything because I don't have the news, but this is a beautiful winter wonderland if you like snow on the trees. There you go.